Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and connectivity so the process won't interrupt. Sign into the account tied to the backup. This authenticates access. On iPhone, use iCloud or Finder. On Android, open Google Drive or OEM Restore. Once done, select the latest backup and choose whether to restore via Wi-Fi for convenience or a cable for speed and reliability. Make sure to allow any permissions the phone requests. This gives the backup app access to apps, settings, and media so the restore can proceed correctly. Start the restore and watch the progress indicator. App data and media may download separately. Keep the device unlocked and prevent sleep so background tasks continue without pause. If apps require sign-in or two-factor prompts, complete them as they appear. Re-entering credentials lets app data reconnect. For large media sets, expect staggered downloads. Apps first, then photos and messages. Make sure storage isn't full. If it is, free space and resume. Once apps show installed, the system will begin rebuilding app states and settings. Finish by verifying critical data: contacts, messages, photos, and app-specific content. If something's missing, try restarting the device and let background syncing complete for up to an hour. Should the data still be absent, attempt a targeted restore for that app or file type from the backup menu. If restores fail repeatedly, update the operating system and apps, clear app cache, and ensure sufficient storage, then retry. As a final troubleshooting tip, export logs or screenshots before contacting support so you can show exact errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.